Hello guys, Alan Mickey again today. Well, I'll be showing you how to work with while loop in Python. So, loops are used to iterate over things. That is the type of control flow that determines how long something runs in your program, or it is used to extract data from an object or variables. For instance, let's get into the code by seeing, let's say we have num as nums, list of numbers. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6, and want to print all of these numbers. At first we'll be doing something like print, say print, we'll say nums, and we'll say nums of, start by saying 0 and printing up to the last index. But with loops we won't be having this headache of doing things that things that way. So we'll say y, and let's first create a variable here. Let's say I, and assign it to 0, and here we'll do y I is less than the length of nums, we should print, let's print nums of I, and let's comment this one here, and we'll save this code and run it, guys. You see down here we'll be having 1 1 1 1 1 to the end, but that's not what we want at the moment. The program is having an endless loop, so in order to make the loop to break, we'll do something like incrementing I, that's I plus equals 1. We are incrementing I. If we run this again, if you look down here, we'll be having 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that's it. But let's see if I do something like minus length of I, and here I do something like minus this, and I do it, you see the length of, let me just say length of nums. Let's say length of nums. We'll save and run the program. What happens? The program get finished without printing anything. But here, in order to do that, we should do it greater than, and we'll save and run this. You see, still do nothing. Let's see negative of this. I should be having index out of range, which here okay, no problem, guys. So let's see how you can loop over a list using while loop as printing every character in a list. Let's say you have Jack Smith and want to print everything in that loop, character by character. We do while, let's initialize our variable I, assign it to 0. I'll do y I less than length of the nums. I will save this. Now let me first print out nums of I, print nums of I. You see here, guys, we'll print this. Would you see length of nums? It's not find that this is I instead of L. We'll print this back, guys. You see it's printing J because we are not incrementing our I down here. We should be incrementing I down here by 1. If we save this and run it again, you see that it should give it us a correct result. Yeah, here we go. That's Jack Smith. So guys, that's the basics of working with while loop. That was a basic. In the future tutorials, when we enter more into data structures, we'll learn more about while loops. So the next thing we are going to look will be for loops. So see you in the next tutorial where I'll be talking about for loops in Python. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel if it's your first time, and don't forget to click the notification icon to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Thank you, guys. It's your boy Alan Mickey again today. Thanks for watching.